Hello everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today I'm showing the Ruscus leaves. This product has a very rich name in China. Its Chinese name means rich leaves. People like to use these decorative leaves to wish for rich things. It's usually used as added material for vase flowers decoration. It's sold in pack. One pack is about 50-gram weight, and its size is about 60 centimeters tall, usually 60 centimeters. But if you need longer size, we can also select longer size for you. You just need to tell us about your requirement, then we can make it for you. There are many colors of this product to choose, not only these in my hand, but many other colors. You can find all details from our online store, and if you need more information, you can contact us directly. Thank you.